you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. Your girl is extremely happy today. I don't know how to start, but I have to start by saying thank you guys. You guys have really made me proud. I don't know if you guys have noticed that advert is now being played in my channel. We have made it to 1,000 subscribers, and not just that, you guys have really helped me to cross the bridge, and my channel have been monetized. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I am really happy. When I saw the message yesterday, it was like, oh, seriously? Thank you. I really appreciate your support. May God Almighty bless you all as you continue to support me. Thank you so much. Guys, today's video is on the duplex paint house that we've been on for some days now. We are here to continue the video. I've come with the video on the paint house itself with Parapet. I thought I would be able to cover them all at once, but it's not going to be possible because I don't want it to be too lengthy. So I think the next one will be on roofing of the house and plastering. Maybe I will make it together as well, so that we will know how much we are looking at for this big duplex paint house that we have been discussing on. So today, what we'll be needing for paint house is 6 inches whole blocks. The open one hole, that's why I put hole. Cement, of course, you know that we'll be needing cement. 12 rods, each and 1.5 quarter rod, and binding wire. Actually, we'll be needing planks as well, but here we are not going to buy any new planks. Yeah, you can use the one used for decking, so there's no need of adding planks. But I just have to let you know that planks will be needed as well. And water, I did not calculate water here because you might have it, you might not have it, but I'm just letting you know in case you are building such house, you should know that water will be needed as well. Then sand, we'll be needing some sharp sand and granite as well for the casting. We'll be needing some sands, like shocking sand for the blocks and sharp sand for the casting, and then granite, and I've said rods, 12 rods and quarter rod, then binding wire. These are planks. I've said it, planks will be needed as well, but we can make use of the one used for decking, so you don't need to buy new one. Here I calculated the 1,006 inches whole blocks at the rate of 160. The one of hole is 160, but the one of solid, as in the covered one without hole, is always expensive because it consumes more sand and cement. It is of more quality. It's solid. Yeah, that's why they call it solid block. So this one is 160 of cement at the rate of 3.5, 12 rod at the rate of 3.1, quarter rod 1,018 feet, binding wire 9,000 naira. When you workmanship 800,000. When you calculate all this, is giving you 1.714,500. Then parapet. In parapet of this building duplex paint house, you'll be needing some planks. As you already know that in parapet you have to buy planks because you have to saw it to the sizes you need. We have made like 2 or 3 videos on parapet in this channel, so I believe you should be used to it by now. But you know that building differs and choice differs. Some don't do this concrete parapet. There are different kind of parapet. But what we have been discussing on this channel is concrete parapet, and that is exactly what we are going to discuss on as well now. So here in this duplex paint house, you'll be needing like 51 by 3 by 12 plank at the rate of 300, 41 by 6 by 12 at the rate of 700, 35 1 by 5 by 12 at the rate of 700, 55 1 by 10 by 12 at the rate of 15, 62 by 2 by 12 at the rate of 300. Then 1.5 bag of 3 inches nails for these planks. 50 length of 12 mm at the rate of 3.1. I've said that before when I was talking on paint house. Then some bags of cement. Then some bags of cement, like 35 bags of cement will be needed as well. Quarter rod, like 1 bundle of quarter rod. It might not consume up to that, but let's just calculate 1 bundle of quarter rod. Then I think that is all. Okay, the sand, the sharp sand and the granite we calculated during the time of when I was calculating paint house can serve for both the parapet and the paint house. So I didn't calculate any other money for sharp sand and granite here. That one can serve for both. And workmanship and supervision money. So 1 by 3 by 12 is giving us 15,000. 1 by 6 by 12 is giving us 28,000. 1 by 5 by 12 is giving us 24,500. 1 by 10 by 12 is giving us 82,500. 2 by 2 by 12 is giving us 18,000. 3 inches nails is giving us 13,500 for the 1.5 bag. Rod, 12 mm rod is giving us 155,000. Then cement is giving us 122,500. Binding wire is giving us 50,000, and workmanship 850. Supervision external supervision is giving us 100,000. So calculating all this is giving us 1 by 1.459,000. 1.459,000. When you add it up to the paint house, the total money gotten from there, you'll be having 3 million. Excuse me. So when you add it up, you'll be having 3,175,500 naira. That is what the estimate is giving us for paint house and the parapet of duplex paint house. Please, we are going to calculate the money so far from foundation so that we will know how much we have or we should expect from foundation to this stage now. But before then, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Hit the subscription button and don't forget to share the video after watching. Like the video, click on that thumbs up and like the video, and don't forget to help me to share. So totaling it now, we are having from foundation to ground lintel, we are having 4.738,300. Then from decking to first floor lintel, we are having 3.887,150. And then now for paint house and parapet, we are having 3.175,500, totaling 11.798,950. That is just 11.8. Let's just say 11.8. I think it's 1,000 something, 1,050 naira different. So we are having 11.8 million naira now. I guess it's not much. It's not much. So no matter how big your house may be for this duplex paint house, from foundation to this level or to this stage, you should be expecting nothing more than 13 million. Nothing more, because this 11.8 is almost 12 million naira. So you should be expecting nothing more than 13 million to get to this stage. By tomorrow, we are going to make video on the roofing and the plastering of the building, so that we will know the exact amount we should be looking at while building this kind of house. And I'm going to make video on both roofing with aluminium and roofing with stone tiles, so that we will know the differences as well. Please guys, and in our yesterday video on fencing, I think there is something I will need to explain to you guys on how the charge and everything. Maybe I will make a short video on that tomorrow, so that you can get the full details on fencing, so that it will not look as if someone is cheating you. Maybe your engineer is cheating you, or your builder is cheating you. I will really have to explain it in details how they charge, because charges in fencing differs, though some builders as well charge like that while building. You know, there was a time someone said that charges is per bag of cement. Some people will tell you that charges is per block used and all that. So till tomorrow, I'm going to brief you guys on that, so that you will get to know. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Anyhow, you should be looking at 30 million naira from foundation to this stage for duplex paint house. Okay, for this is 4-bedroom place. It's like I've not been mentioning the number of rooms that this house contains. 4-bedroom. And the prices we used, because some people will not really understand it. They will think that prices are the same everywhere. It's not the same everywhere, and that is the reason why after estimating, I will have to add some money to it, or approximate it to a certain amount, so that no matter where you are buying from, it will not be far from it. You are using Anambra Calabar price. Okay, that is the prices I'm using for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join me on the Instagram and the Facebook. So thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to watch ads. That one is so important. Don't forget to watch ads. Those ads are what is paying me from YouTube. So don't forget to watch them when you're watching my videos, so that I can at least get my dough. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.